Nigiri sushi is made by placing sushi toppings on vinegared rice and gently pressing them together. Traditional sushi craftsmanship emphasizes enhancing the flavor of each ingredient through careful preparation. Methods like marinating, curing, and searing transform the delicate flavors of seafood in many ways, delighting the diner's palate. In this video, I'll introduce one such variation of nigiri sushi. Shio-Koji is a traditional Japanese seasoning made by fermenting rice malt with salt. It brings out the umami in ingredients, adding depth and a slight sweetness. First, slice the scallops. Leave the small adductor muscle of the scallops intact as a hinge and carefully open them up. Mix the Shio-Koji with a small amount of soy sauce. The amount of soy sauce depends on your preference, but even a few drops will add richness to the flavor. Be careful not to add too much, or it may become too salty. Submerge the sliced scallops in the mixture to let the flavors infuse. Let them marinate for about an hour for a mild, well-balanced flavor. Cut the sushi nori into strips. Form the marinated scallops into a nigiri shape, then wrap them with the nori strip. The small adductor muscle will stick out, so wrap the nori with the hinge facing inward to make the surface flat and easier to wrap. For an extra kick, add a small amount of Yuzu kosho citrus chili paste. Its strong flavor is potent, so just a little goes a long way. Finish by sprinkling fresh yuzu zest on top to enhance the refreshing aroma. Since the flavor is already well seasoned, there's no need to add extra soy sauce. Enjoy the delicate flavors of the ingredients. Subscribe the channel for the series of professional tutorials and more practical ideas.